So we are live now.
Thank you, Dr. Satish. And let me formally start the book launch event today. A warm welcome to everyone who joined us today on the book launch event. A warm welcome to all the people who are watching us live at Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn channels. Very, very happy to see you all joining with enthusiasm on this book launch on academic writing event. I'm Dr. Swati Sinha, co-founder at Pharmastate Academy, and the platform, the host for today's book launch is Pharmastate Academy. So we heartily welcome you. And to start with Dr. Ajay, what can I say? We all have seen him a lot. We have all have learned a lot from him. We have attended sessions. We have our most difficult queries answered by Dr. Ajay. And it was time that Dr. Ajay wrote a book. It was time that Dr. Ajay wrote more books. So we are going to see a lot more books from him. But this one, it is a pleasure. It's a gratitude, Dr. Ajay, that you wrote this one and gave us the opportunity to host the book launch event online. So welcome, Dr. Ajay, first of all, and all the dignitaries who have taken out time from their busy schedules to join us today. To start with, let me speak a few words about Dr. Ajay Semelty. Most of us here know him, and I think I need not speak much about him. So just a few words from our side. The session is live interactive session and the book launch event being independent in academic writing by Dr. Ajay Semelty. He is the University SWAYAM Coordinator, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar, Uttarakhand, with an experience of more than 18 years now. An expert reviewer at Iceland Research Foundation, Israel Science Foundation, scientific expert for Ministry of Institution and University Research, Italy, and obviously in India. And then in a few words, I'm going to sum up. This is not all, but in a few words, I'm going to sum up his contributions and achievements. He is in world's top 2% scientist of pharmacy and pharmacology by Stanford University Research, has written more than 80 papers in national and international high impact journals, ranging from 0.5 to 5, with a total impact of more than 90. Huge citations, H-index at 26, and total citations more than 2,000. He is the one and only Indian patent of the university. He has been awarded research award from UGC, and he is a postdoctoral fellowship from Mijo University, Nagoya, Japan. Got 11 funded projects and with 20 online courses, including 2 SWAYAM MOOCs. All of us know what these SWAYAM MOOCs have done for online learning. The #1 academic writing, listed in top 30 world MOOCs, and industrial pharmacy, first and only pharmacy MOOC in India. So this is a short introduction to what Dr. Ajay Semelty has contributed to academia. Let me hand over the session to Dr. Ajay Semelty for speaking a few words before we start formally. Over to you, Dr. Ajay.
Thank you, Dr. Swati. Thanks a lot. Sir, I warmly welcome all the participants, our learners, and the chief guest, Engineer Nageshwar Nathji, Joint Director, CEC, Pranam sir. I warmly welcome you on this occasion and always being available for us, for motivating us as and when required, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, first of all. And I also extend warm welcome to my guru, Professor M.S. Rawat, former Vice Chancellor, HNB Garhwal University, and currently he is the advisor, Higher Education, Government of Uttarakhand. I welcome the publishing house team from BS Publications, from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya, Professor Harel Thomas, various office bearers of library associations from across the states, various members of the library associations, and the research scholars, office bearers associations, and the members, and my team, Academic Writing. Sir, we welcome the efforts actually put in by our learners. A teacher is incomplete without students. And that's why we have learned rather from learners. So we have got the huge support from our learners. And we are proud to have a family of 43,000 learners across more than 105 countries. And that is only due to SWAYAM. We have got the opportunity to be global in this scenario. It is my proud privilege to be the flag bearer of SWAYAM, and hope we will give whatever we have learned, we will share whatever we have learned with our fellow colleagues, faculty members, students, and research scholars, and hope this journey continues. With this warm welcome to all the participants and the team CEC, Consortium for Educational Communication, the members who are always behind the curtain like Disha, Asmita, I won't forget the name, Archana, Ravindra. We have got the support from each and everybody. I can't count the names, sir. The team UGC, these people are working without any thank. Rather, we are getting the thank and the compliment from the learners, but these people are just working. So I really acknowledge your effort, all you people, sir. A big salute. With this, I invite you to represent CEC, and though Professor J.B. Nadda was about to come, but due to some circumstances he is not here, but I warmly welcome you, sir. That is my privilege that you are here with us for motivating us. So I welcome Engineer Nageshwar Naji, the Program Coordinator of SWAYAM Prabha, and the Joint Director, Consortium for Educational Communication. Warm welcome, sir. Pranam.
Warm welcome, Honorable Engineer Nageshwar Nath, is Joint Director, CEC, Project Coordinator, SWAYAM and SWAYAM Prabha at New Delhi. And also, though he is not here, our Honorable Guest of Honor, Director CEC, Professor J.B. Nadda, but it's a pleasure having you, Engineer Nageshwar Nath ji. We welcome you to speak a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
I find this the right time. Dr. Ajay Semalty has planned this event. Tomorrow is our Independence Day. And the book Academic Writing is also a direction. In that direction is an effort. Independence. So it's a great event, sir. What I have felt, I am a educational technologist, and over the years what I have done, now the digital education is all about cooperation by the academic community and the ICT, and the result is visible. Dr. Ajay is one of our first few coordinators who helped us to achieve the today's goal that we have developed almost 526 MOOCs on SWAYAM. Dr. Ajay and Dr. Mona, they were the beginners. And this course, as he was saying, it's a very popular course whenever launched. So we see that these are times are academic cooperation. SWAYAM platform itself is an academic cooperation between national coordinators, Ministry of Education, and other interest areas like NTA. A book on SWAYAM course is a new beginning, I will say. It's all great effort of Dr. Ajay Semalty. I appreciate the effort, sir. and to publish a book on the outcome of the Swayam text of the course developed by you. And it is through a resolution by Swayam board that the course coordinator will be allowed to publish a book out of the text. Great effort, sir. I wish all the success to the book, sir, academic writing. And this many more course coordinators come together and publish more books in open educational resources. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your guidance, the blessings, and hope we will get your blessings. We get your blessings as and when required, and rather we feel the right on you, sir. So sorry whenever we bother you. Sorry for that. We don't see the time and watch. It is the liberty given by you whenever we used to call you and used to bother you. Thank you, sir. And thanks for rather the permission for the this project. Thanks a lot to the CEC, Ministry of Education and Government of India. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you. Thank you, Engineer Nageshwarnath, sir, for gracing the event and giving the keynote address today. We are really, really grateful to you. And let us do the official book launch with the guest of honors who are present, with special guests who are present, and all our esteemed and lovable participants. Dr. Satish, can we have the book launch video? Thank you, Satish. And here is, now we have launched the book. Dr. Ajay, thank you. The word that I really, really love when you showed we showed this video is having a learner-centered approach that misses from many academicians and industry also. We hold a lot of events from industry also, and we have seen the learner-centric approach is missing sometimes. And thank you for that. Thank you for including that approach. And now may I invite you again to share with us the book preface. You're on mute, Dr. Ajay. Please unmute.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Dr. Swati. With the blessings of Ma Saraswati and my mother, to whom I lost during the first run of the project. At the mid of that run, I lost my mother on 21st of August, 2019. In spite of that fact, in spite of that setback, we kept on with the show going continuously uninterrupted. The timely week release and the engagement with the learners and the support we got. With these words, I would like to give you just a brief preface of the book. I would like to read, because firstly, this book is dedicated to my mother. Academic writing is the utmost requirement of an academic and research career. Academic writing, art, as well as science. But the art is to be inculcated within ourselves. To present your hard work in the form of publication, you you must need to be familiar with the fundamentals of academic writing. You have done your work and now you want to publish it. In this regard, you have to present it most simply and effectively for the reader, journal, or the editor. Despite of being a vital requirement in an academic and research career, there is no comprehensive setup of learning academic writing in the knowledge domain. Only in some PG courses and all pre-PhD courses, a bit of content is provided, and that too without the practical aspects. This book aims to fill this gap by providing the fundamental knowledge required for effective and result-oriented academic writing. After the huge success of my MOOC, academic writing, on the Ministry of Education, Government of India's SWAYAM platform, I hereby present this book to all the researchers and students. In the ages of UGC, the academic writing MOOC was developed and run for the very first time in December 2019 and got more than 12,500 learners in the very first run. The course ranked #1 in the exam registration with the global top 30 ranking of MOOCs. In the online course, the entire syllabi have been covered in 15 weeks and 150 lectures, 10 to 15 minutes video. Each video is having, so that the engagement is more. The course is available for credit transfer through SWAYAM MOOC for students. We got a huge response across the globe for our online course. And the fourth cycle in January, April 2021 had more than 6,600 learners despite of pandemic. More than 8,000 learners from more than 95 countries are enrolled. 48,000 learners in the course to date, including all the, if you take currently fifth cycle, if you count. On behalf of the National Coordinator Consortium for Educational Communication and course team, I welcome all the learners to join the free online course at the SWAYAM platform, swayam.gov.in. This book provides basic know-how for researchers. The book covers all the basic aspects of academic writing, planning, executing, reporting, documenting, and presenting the research work. These are well illustrated in the book in a very simple and effective way. Apart from all the technical aspects of various kinds of publications, review, research, book chapter, thesis, project, proposal, etc., the psychological aspect like team management, communication with supervisor, field, empirical studies, and presenting skills have also been given in the sufficient detail. The annexure provides some very vital information on various guidelines and important links. The book is very useful for all the researchers, young scientists, students, and teachers. The book aims to trigger an effective academic writer in you. And this is our promise, that certainly we will trigger an academic writer in you. The content is power-packed with easy to learn presentation for readers. The effective use of infographics, to-the-point presentation, quality content, reader friendliness, and important links for further readings are USPs of the book. Moreover, the book also covers the entire syllabi of UGC's recently introduced new subject, research and publication ethics. I hope the book will be useful for all the stakeholders of academic and industrial research. I welcome suggestions for improvement and feedback about the book. On behalf of the entire academic writing team, myself, Dr. Ajay Similty. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ajay, for a wonderful preface to the book. We all look forward to reading it and getting the pearls of wisdom that you share through your writings. May I now invite Professor M.S.M. Rawat for giving us his blessings. He is the advisor, Higher Education at Government of Uttarakhand. Professor M.S.M. Rawat.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Swati Sinha, for anchoring and coordinating this nice program. Dr. Nageshwar Ram Nath, Joint Director, Engineer of CEC, Consortium of Educational Communication, and Dr. Professor Thomas from Harsinger Gaur University, and the participants who have joined this program through WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, etc., etc., and Dr. Ajay Similty, Mona Similty, Really, it's a great moment for me. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Professor Ajay Simrati for writing this excellent book, that is academic writing. And it gives me great pleasure here to participate in this function of launching this book, academic writing, which is published by BS Publications, and very nicely written by Professor Ajay Simrati. As you are all well aware that Dr. Simrati has launched this academic writing through MOOC and SWAYAM program also, SWAYAM program, and more than, as he has said just now, 48,000 participants have been benefited by this. He has done a great work. I think this was one of the best MOOC or SWAYAM program in which a large number of participants have participated and earned certificate also. So Simrati has done great job for the young academician, scholars who are just joining PhD program. The most important thing of a scholar is that how to present his idea, thoughts through writing or in the informal publication in high-ranking journals. I know Dr. Simrati has done very good research and published nearly, he said 100, but I think he has published more than 100 papers in renowned journals. So by publishing papers, perhaps he has realized the importance of presenting the data in the journals. Sometimes you see that a good study could not find a place in good journals due to lack of knowledge of proper writing. So this way, the book is very, very useful to the academician and especially to the research scholars. And it is my proud privilege that Dr. Simrati has filled this gap. And I'm thankful to him for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words before you all. And this is a wonderful program, and this book launching is a great event, and I wish him all success in life. With these words, I thank him again and again, and thank you, Swati, also for doing this nice job and coordinating all the things. I thank all the participants who have joined this program, Dr. Simrati, Dr. Mona Simrati, and all other workers who has done dedicated efforts in publishing this great work. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor M.S.M. Rawat. It's awesome to hear and learn from you also, sir. Keep blessing us and the team here. Dr. Ajay, would you like to extend your thanks?
सर को धन्यवाद कहना मैं कभी कहना भी नहीं चाहूंगा ताकि उनका आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे हम पर. There is nothing, no words can be there. I think there is no word to thank him at any cost, and rather I would never like to thank him so that I keep on getting his blessings.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
आपका आशीर्वाद हमको बना रहे.
I am proud of you, Dr. Simrati.
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ajay. Thank you so much, Professor M.S.M. Rawat. We would love to hear the expert comments of Professor Rajat Agarwal from Department of Business Management, IIT Roorkee. Professor Rajat, if you are...
I think Dr. Rajat is not there.
Okay, there could be a network error connection at his end then. As soon as he joins us, Satish, please let us know so that we hear him. Right? So let me invite. We also had Professor V.K. Garg, Dean Center for Environmental Science and Technology, School of Environment and Earth Sciences, Central University of Punjab, but he has not been able to attend today due to some mishappening in his team. So let me invite for expert comments, Professor Harold Thomas, Dean, Research and Development, DRHS Gaur University, which is a central university. Professor Harel, please grace us with your few words.
Thank you, Dr. Swati Sinha. Good evening to everyone. Respected Professor Nadda sir, Director, CEC New Delhi, Mr. Nageshwar Nath, Joint Director, CEC, Professor V.K. Garg, and Dr. Ajay and Mrs. Mona, Mrs. Ajay, I can say, my close friend and Professor M.S.M. Rawat, and all the guests present here on this virtual platform. Today is a very special day for us because Dr. Ajay is going to launch his book entitled Academic Writing. As we all know about Dr. Ajay, he's a very hardworking and dedicated researcher in his field. He's a unique in the sense means he is running another MOOC course that is specifically on pharmaceutical sciences, and that is the first course. Similarly, in my case also, I have 5 different MOOC courses on geology field. No one else developed is still in geology field. So that is coincident in fact, because in Ajay case, one academic writing course on MOOC platform and another course related with pharmacy. I hope his book will be very much helpful for all the students and learners related in field of science or arts, or specifically I can say in field of academic writing. Dr. Ajay is running 2 MOOCs since 2019, which are a very popular course on SWAYAM platform. Dr. Ajay converted his MOOC text material in form of book, which is very innovative and intellectual work, I can say. I really appreciate his contribution because it will be motivational thought for all the learners and researchers, and especially for us also, those who are MOOC coordinator. At least we can also convert our MOOC courses into book form. Lastly, I would like to thank Professor J.B. Nadda sir and Mr. Nageshwar Nath sir, because without their permission, the MOOC text material cannot be converted into book form, which is right now present here and already released. And that is very important and significant moment for us. Once again, I congratulate to Dr. Ajay and his backbone, especially counterpart, Dr. Mona, because she already contributed a lot. And I can say that both have contributed a lot in field of pharmacy as well as in academic writing. I really appreciate your hard work, Ajay, because being a young pharmaceutical scientist, you are the first one in India who has running one MOOC course on, apart from academic writing, on pharmacy also. That is really a good achievement for both of you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ajay, for inviting me, and thanks to everyone.
Thank you so much, Professor Harel Thomas. Those are words which are literally very sweet to hear, and really we all are blessed that you are here and have given your expert comments. Thank you, sir.
And I would like to add कि नागेश्वर सर हम सर को छेड़ते थे मूक गुरु बोल के, क्योंकि ये तो हमारे गुरु हैं मूक के, We have learned the things from him that, sir, I used to call him again and again because he is running for quite many times. For one batch a day already, I think he is running 3 moves back to back, and total 3 he has developed, and in a particular cycle he's running 2. So I used to bother him again and again in the night sometimes, sir, what to do of that thing, sir, what to, and he's always ready to help us. So nice of you, sir, and we have got your blessings. We got as a helping hand, or motivating, inspiring things as an elder brother. So I think your support is vital for us, sir. And there are very
Ajay, that
less
is
people, sir, in the seniors who are willing to help the juniors and the young buddies. So you are so nice, and आपका बड़प्पन है that you have groomed us and you have incubated us as a MOOC coordinator. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes, I would like to share one experience in the sense I was delivering one lecture on 16 March 2020 at Banaras. There I just said, maybe the time will come and we have to switch over towards online teaching. And even the ministry is also thinking to open virtual university. The provision is there. Maybe in future, within 1 year or 2 years, virtual university will be open like IGNOU. And within few days, there was a complete lockdown, and everyone, all the faculty members switch over very fast from traditional teaching towards a different mode of online teaching. So that is the change, and we were already experienced those who are related with MOOCs. So for us, there was no problem because we have a sufficient video lectures and everything. So then the people realize, and now they are always realizing why we have not contributed on SWAYAM platform. So Ajay, you already took the lead in your field, specifically on pharmacy. Like me, means I have developed 5 different courses on SWAYAM platform, for SWAYAM platform in geology field. And since 2016, I am running my course. First course I have run, and first time I have conducted examination also. That time even the ministry never think for examination online. I have contributed, I have conducted examination with 100 question. And even then education minister, he also appreciated. He appreciated 2 courses. One was my course on pathology, now which is running on 6th cycle, and another was on photography.
And you were also the pioneer in the credit transfer. I think you were the pioneer course in which the credit transfer was done for the very first time in India among the UP and
You
CEC.
have already taken lead, and that's all your credit. And even Dr. Mona also sees a stand with you. So that is all credit goes to her also and to you. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Pranam, sir. Saubhagya Mara.
Petrology course is again has been a very successful course, Dr. Thomas.
Yes.
And we have a very good team of experienced course coordinators.
That's true, sir.
I am forming a group for training the course coordinators who come new for developing new courses.
Okay, sir. That will be a great.
We expect you to help us, Dr. Ajay and Dr. Thomas.
Yes, sure, sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You will be happy to part of that training team.
Our privilege, sir. Thank you, sir. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you. Thank you, professors. And dear listeners, participants, you are hearing new things. So stay tuned for more and better opportunities in online learning. Right. And now, Dr. Ajay, we all would love to hear a brief overview of this book from you.
So without wasting time, I will be having a quick overview in 10 minutes about the book and the overall scenario. We'll wrap it up, and we would love to hear you people for the interactive session. So let me share my screen for you with your kind permission of Honorable Nageshwar Nasser and the Professor M.S.M. Rawat. Sir. Friends, let me give you an overview of academic writing. Hope my slides are now visible to you. Yeah. Now today is what we are going to see, that introduction, framework, content, progress, and the summary of that thing. I teach academic writing, friends. Academic writing deals with the do's and don'ts of research writing. It is a foundation course, and the application of the knowledge completely depends on the individual learner and his or her area of research. I am the course coordinator for this MOOC. This course is developed under the Government of India SWAYAM project, which deals in massive open online courses. I also teach the pharmacy course, and I'm a faculty of Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, HNB Garhwal University, a central university in Srinagar, Garhwal, in Uttarakhand. I'm also the coordinator of University SWAYAM Cell, an NPTEL local chapter, as you know. And the course, on the basis of which this book has been written, it is a 15-week course and 4 credits course. Many universities have adopted this as for their PG and pre-PhD courses, and getting the credits, 40 hours course content available with more than, I think, 57 hours of video. Nageshwar sir, I would like to bring in your kind attention that I haven't counted the number of hours for this course. I think more than 57 hours of content we have contributed. And the production time, we have already prepared around 25 hours of content. Apart from, we were given 20 hours task, but we prepared 24 hours task, and without any extra funding, we all added around 6 hours of content. So only for all learners, study materials, discussion forum. So as far as in the very first cycle, we have 12,532 learners. In the next cycle, January, July 2020, 7,564. July, October 2020, 8,645. January, July 2021, 6,647. And July, October cycle, this time so far, we have already crossed 2,300 mark and still going on. We are hopeful that we will cross 10,000 in the cycle. So overall, right now, we are more than 43,000 learners across more than 95 countries. And this is the beauty, this is the brand India going global. Domains of academic writing, which we have touched in our book, in our course. First is basics of academic writing, which deals with academic writing for non-native speakers, basic rules of academic writing, cohesion, coherence, basic flow of writing, critical reading, and idea generation. The hot topic, plagiarism, which has been dealt by Dr. Mona Semelty in the course. How to use proper citations, how to implement precise quotations, how to add references, how to review our writing for similarity, what are the tools for similarity check, how to understand the similarity reports, how to rectify the problems, targeting the right journal, which we have covered in the chapters in the book and also in the entire week. What are journals, indices, how they work, what are author indices, how to choose the journals for publication, peer reviewing process, literature review. The next aspect, so I don't think so we have skipped any part of the academic writing. What are source of literature, process of literature review, evaluating the sources, online literature databases, and what are the literature management tools with the hands-on videos for the literature management tools. Article writing, the basics, know-how of every type of writing, research article, review article, thesis, project proposal, book chapters, everything we have covered in our book. And the qualitative research for arts and humanities, especially direct and indirect evidences of qualitative research, experiences and experimental observations, conclusive research design, exploratory, descriptive, and causal research. For this, we have got the support of Professor Rajat Agrawal, who triggered an online course creator in me. I always remember him, I always quote him and thank him. And he was, so nice that he extended his support and become a team member and contributed 2 weeks in our course also. So we are always thankful to Professor Rajat Agarwal. If you have joined, we would love to listen to him also. And this book also having the chapters from him. Research, what are the challenges in research, quantity versus quality, teamwork, credit sharing, accountability. This has been dealt by the Professor Rajat Agarwal. And this is the, as you know, that research and publication ethics is a new brand syllabi for the pre-PhD courses, which we have covered in our course entirely. And rather, we have added many things. It's just a part of that thing, research and publication ethics of our course. And we have focused for the very first time, the digital writing. Apart from the research and review, what are the open educational resources using OERs, open educational resources development, they're blended for blended learning, engagement techniques, learner-centric content development. This we included as a part of academic writing, and we were lucky enough that we got the approval for this MOOC development with these topics which we selected. And we thought that it is going to ring the bell. It is going to cater the need of the current scenario. So these are all the domains of academic writing which we have covered and which is multidisciplinary in nature. And we have an entire course layout of the 15 week we have covered, which is available in our course on the course dashboard. Please go through and join us. Still you have the time. If you want to learn, please do join us for free to learn courses, not only for academic writing, anything you want to learn, anytime, anywhere can learn, anywhere, from anywhere it can be learned. Do join the Government of India's pride, Swayam. With this word, I conclude and over to you, Swati. Thank you. And any query, we will welcome any query from your part. Thank you. Just a minute. Let me stop my sharing. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay, for giving us the brief overview of the book. Dear participants, we will be there with the open discussion also for your queries and question answers. So stay with us. And before the open discussion, let me invite from BS Publications, Mr. Anil Shah and Mr. Naresh also. Please grace the event, Mr. Anil Shah and Mr. Naresh, the publication house behind this particular book, BS Publications. Dear Mr. Anil Shah, can we have a few words from you? Kindly unmute.
Mr. Anil Shah, can you unmute?
Anil is there?
Yes, he is there, sir, but
Anil sir, please.
Okay. Sir, please unmute. You are on mute.
Now he's unmuted, yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Anil. Yes, sir.
I welcome everyone.
Hello. Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Sir. So I welcome everyone to this session. And our association with Dr. Semelty is very old. His first book, he has written one book on Art of Writing Pharmaceutical Journal, which was received very well by all pharmacy students. Now he has come out with this second book on art of academic writing, which I hope will be very well received by all the student community, teaching community, because now, as everyone is aware, everyone is supposed to, there are some standards wherein plagiarism check has to be done, and we have to maintain grammar and all that. So I think the book has come out at a very appropriate time, because a lot of writers require correct information, how to write an article or even a book, so that their ideas could be communicated properly throughout the world. And as far as the BS publication is concerned, we have been publishing for more than 20 years, and we have a global presence. We have global partners. So through them, we can deliver any book globally and the books will be printed and delivered globally within 5 days. So I wish all the success to Dr. Semelty, and I hope that with all his experience and guidance, he will be able to write. We look forward to receive few more books from him for the benefit of students and teaching community. Thank you. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to speak with you, sir, to connect with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anil sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And we have been very lucky to have the association with the BS Publications since beginning. We started writing, and we were lucky that we got a lucky person at the lucky time. Otherwise, there are so many publishers. So many publishers are behind me that why don't you write for us? Manka, once I will have a fight with Mr. Anil Shah or the BS Publication, then I will see. He is not giving me the opportunity to go away from him.
So actually speaking, when we wrote your first book, at that time itself, if you remember, there was a lot of there was no market for those type of books. But with your writing in the last 25, I think 18 years now that we have published the first book, which has now for others, I want to give that particular book is recommended by Pharmacy Council of India. So it has given a very good. It was the first book from an Indian audience, for the Indian from an Indian perspective, giving how to write a article or how to write a book so that it is approved, and how to look what are the guiding factors or impact factors and things like that. So I think it was very well received by the pharmacy community. Now I think this particular book will be very well received because we are now covering the UGC syllabi for the research methods. And now that the UGC also is now insisting for plagiarism reports and all that thing. So I think there is a need, there is a demand for such books. So I hope this will be received very well by the researchers, and hopefully in years to come, you will also come out with very much another new book in the same area. Naresh, I hand over to you. Speak, Naresh, now.
Thank you, Anil sir. Before the Naresh starts, I would like to thank you and Nikunj for the continuous support, and hope you will give me any chance to have a fight with you in their time, sir, in a lighter note.
Yes, sir. Welcome. You are always, sir, from our side also, you are one of the earlier authors for when you started, I think you are in the first 10th or 20th author. So our association has been very, very long association. Right? So Naresh, you can go ahead and share about the publication. Right?
So thank you, sir.
The BS Publication, Mr. Naresh, the backbone of the publisher, our publishing house. Naresh ji, welcome.
Good evening to everybody, and I congratulate sir. And as my director told about the book, how it is important. So everybody knows about the book important and has understood what books is about. But I would like to speak about the process, basically, where I have been interacting with Ajay sir since his 3-4 books we have done. And this is a book which is very unique, as already been told in the beginning, that it is a course-based book. So in the beginning, we were not having that kind of, like regular book. We thought it should be a regular book, but sir told us that it will be a totally module-based. So I think it's like in general, we consider as a chapter, but sir told us that all courses, all modules should be in a chapter. That was a bit difficult for me to understand how the presentation will go, but sir made it easy, as he has given everything prepared. So it was very much easy, and I have personally learned a lot of things from him in the process. And I again congratulate sir, and I look forward to get more books from him. Thank you everyone for giving me a chance to speak about it. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr.
Naresh.
Naresh.
Thanks a lot. And on behalf of my team, Academic
Thank you,
Writing,
sir.
and the
Thank you,
production team, I warmly welcome and we thank you for your efforts. Actually, this is just like the director and the actor kind of thing. What I wanted, I had lot of discussions, and I required so many revisions, just
Yeah,
back
of
to
course. Of
comma,
course.
full stop and all that. I think sometimes I feel that Naresh ji is not going to attend my call now onwards. But he is always ready, just on one
No.
call. So thank you, Naresh ji. Thanks a lot to your entire team. Actually, please give my regards and my thanks to your production team, down to the editors and the data entry operators. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Over
Thank
to
you.
you, Swati.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay. Thank you, Mr. Naresh, and thank you, Mr. Anil. We hope this team, the writer and the publisher, gives us more books and more opportunities to host such events. So please, as you also asked, I would also ask Dr. Ajay to write more books and give his knowledge to all of us. And let us move now to the questions from participants, sir. This is an open discussion now. The forum is open and you can write your questions in the chat box.
Should we open one-to-one interaction if you want?
Yeah, Dr. Ajay, would you like to have one-to-one interactions?
Of course.
Okay, so whoever wants to ask question, unmute and just tell your name and ask the question. I'll
And
request
please,
others
if
to keep.
Rajesh sir has turned up, please let us know. Okay.
Okay.
Swati ji, please.
Okay, doctor.
Sure.
Yeah.
So,
One question I'll take first, because already a question is there: how to formulate research titles for new master degree or research on higher levels? How to formulate research titles, Dr. Ajay?
Right. Actually, finding the research titles depends on various factors, which we have also discussed in our book. That it depends on the expectations of supervisor, expectation of institution, resource availability. That is a very important and crucial part, because we can't start producing editions and Einstein if you are having these scarce facilities. Okay. First of all, we need the sufficient facilities. And even if some facilities are lacking, are we having the collaborations or support from some research institution? Then only a title should be selected after the due consultation with supervisor. And there must be a mutually agreed component of all the that particular titles component should be mutually agreed upon. Otherwise, the problem will be in the later stages. So I suggest just check out the available resources, your expectations, and obviously your objectives. I always quote, being a management student also: SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Because we are supposed to deliver the PhD, and this is a time bound process. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you can't keep on doing the research till the last breath. Okay, so it all depends on these factors. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Swati,
Ajay.
Swati, I would like to say that if Sari is there,
Professor Rajat, sir.
Nana Raja Hatangri sir, if he's there, then we can also invite him for this expert comment.
Okay.
Yeah, if it is available, please let us know. Anyway, we can
I
continue
think-
with the thing.
Yeah, I think sir is not there. Right?
Okay, chicken.
Yeah.
The next question, sir. There are very, very generic questions. How to quote relevant literature in research effectively or academically?
Pardon?
How to quote relevant literature in research effectively?
Relevant research factor, quoting.
Yes, sir.
The relevant research factor is actually it depends on the research fields also. When you are doing the literature review, you can't keep on quoting the things, just you have to articulate the idea and then go on the things. It's not just copy pasting.
Sir, one logistic question. How to get the soft copy of this book in Sierra Leone?
Obviously, we are going to give the link very soon, because the soft copy, this is also available in the soft copy, also available in the hard copy, and we will be giving the links with the coupon code along with your certificates of participation. Don't worry, you will get both the links. Okay.
So, sir, there would be an e-version of the book?
Yeah, obviously, the e-version is also available. And the PDF version is that the paperback is also available for the foreign learners for the countries other than India. It would be available across the world in the hardbound form, hardbound way with the colored prints, and that the cost will vary depending on the delivery charges and the country location.
And what is the minimum price for your book, Ajay, Dr. Ajay?
So this time, this is the Indian price and 995.
995. Okay.
995. And we are going to give, I think, that good discount for the participatory for the participants at this moment.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. It is in line. We will announce.
And just
We'll also announce.
tell to
Yes,
your publisher, send
Yes,
me
sir.
one specimens copy so that I can.
Obviously, sir, you need not to say. We will give you.
Yeah,
Surely.
Just simply I'm mentioning.
Obviously, sir.
Yes, sir. Let us move to the next question. How to select research paper for review?
No, research papers, selecting the research paper for reviews.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it is the database, the quality of database which you are consulting. It is very important, very crucial. The database which you are searching is the basis of the quality of your outcome, your product. If you'll go on just searching this crap in the Google only, you will get the crap product. Better to go with the research paper index in good indexing agencies like PubMed Index, Scopus Index, Web of Science, or even if you are not having these access, maybe. However, PubMed is freely available, no issue. You can go with that. Scopus, many of the institutes are having the access. Apart from that, you can go with the publisher, prestigious publishers that Elsewhere, Springer, Bentham, Wiley, and then search the relevant journals. But obviously, you must have an idea that what is a good journal, what is a bad journal. Okay. Thank you.
Another question from the book.
Swati, just a second. Rajesh sir has joined, I think. Please check.
Sir, please check.
Yeah, because
Yeah, he has joined. I'm just yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
we would like to
I'm
hear.
sorry, I'm sorry I joined very late because of some other important.
Sir, we were eagerly waiting for you, sir.
No, I got the message of Monaji also few minutes back. So it's disturbing your schedule. Your very good question answer.
No, sir. You rather you have raised the occasion, sir. Thank you.
It's good that young researchers are taking so much of interest in these things, and they want to learn the art of writing the good papers, and not only good papers, but how to target the top journals. So that is the most important outcome of your work of these MOOC courses, as well as of that is the purpose of this book also. My all the best wishes to you, sir.
Sir, first of all, I would formally introduce you, then we would hear you properly and formally, sir. This is the informal talk, okay, sir? So
let Dr. Ajay,
Swati.
let me introduce Professor Rajat Agarwal from, I think, Team Academic Writing, Team AW, from Department of Business Management, IIT Roorkee. We formally invite you, Professor Rajat Agarwal, for your expert comments.
Thank you, Swati ji, for giving me this opportunity. I congratulate Dr. Ajay, Dr. Mona for doing a service for the society. In fact, this type of book is not for personal benefit. This book is for the benefit of the society, because we rarely have some kind of authentic material that how to write your papers, and particularly students in a large number of private colleges, private universities, they do not have that type of exposure that what should be the standard practice to be followed. Though the practice of writing research papers may vary from domain to domain. If you are in science, there may be a different practice. If you are in engineering, there may be a different practice. If you are in humanities, literature, there will be a different practice. So though there is a difference from one domain to another domain, but there are various things which are common also. And I think the book will help to understand the common aspects of academic writing, which irrespective of domain, you need to know. Like there was a question few minutes back about how to cite the papers, how to search the databases. And Professor Semelty was very right. There's so much of scrap is available at Google. And you need to know that you are searching the right authenticated databases. And for that purpose, with academic writing, there is another word, academic collaborations. Because everywhere these journals, these databases may not be available. So with your collaborations, if you know that I need these 4 papers, so you can ask your collaborator to provide you those 4 papers so that you can go for detailed study of those literature. So this is how people get, because every institution may not have similar type of resources, and our work should not be of inferior quality because of lack of resources. And therefore, the academic writing will also tell you the academic networking. That is also very important thing. There are so many people who are doing this research that if you are publishing your paper in the top quality journals, if you are publishing your papers in Nature, if you are publishing your paper in Cancer, in Lancet, so what is that so special in your paper? Is it the knowledge because of which the paper gets published in that? It is the language, it is your academic network, it is the, you can say, the affiliation of your institution. What is that? So people are continuously searching, and there is no single answer for that. That because of this reason, because the same paper may get rejected in a lower quality journal and may get accepted in Nature. So it is very much possible. And when you see the Nature, which, because I am talking of Nature because this is one of the most popular journal which we all know. Though there are journals which are better than Nature also, but Nature is a very common name for all of us. And there, if you see about Nature, even in Nature also, there are 30% papers which are never cited, by anybody, 0 citations. So it is not that all papers which are published in Nature are of extremely good quality. So there are journals where your paper is published, which is maybe of Q2 category, Q3 category, but it may have more citations. So there are multiple factors which play important role in academic writing, but there are fundamental basics, and we should know those basics. That is the purpose of the MOOC course which was offered by Professor Ajay and Professor Mona. And I think that is the purpose of this book also, that what are those fundamentals which we should use in developing the skeleton of our papers, skeleton of our writings, whether it is paper, whether it is dissertation, whether it is thesis, and then the other part of academic writing is proposal writings also, because that is also very important these days, that how much sponsored funding you are able to generate. So this academic writing will extend to that aspect also. Once you know how to find, because if you are writing a proposal for DST will say that you need to give 10 work from Indian authors and 10 work from international authors. So again, you need to go for literature review for identifying 10 best work of Indian authors and 10 best work of international authors. So there are multiple aspects in which academic writing is required, and all those who are in this profession of teaching and research, for us, this is bread and butter. So I again congratulate and give my all best wishes to Professor Ajay ji, Professor Mona ji, and the entire team, which helped them in developing this very unique book on academic writing. And I hope people will really get benefited by this book. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I am again putting my apology on record for being late and disturbing your schedule.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It has been our privilege. We were thinking that we are missing you, that you just oblige us with your presence, sir. And I would like to add a note that whatever we are, sir, just due to you only, that you triggered a fire. I always say that, sir, you triggered a fire, that yes, you do it. I may remember that I was attending in 2017 in a workshop with hundreds of participants from my universities, the faculty members. Sir said, the online course, MOOC development, Swayam platform, the train is going. The one who will board first will reach first. I just got that line. And you know, you won't believe that it was the motivation of sir and the words of sir. I don't know that I was the only person there who got the thing, that I ran, because only 5 days were remaining. He showed us the proposal for the last date of submission of that thing. All people said, "Ab to kuch nahi ho sakta," bol. I mean, no, I will make it possible. I will do it. Within 5 days, 2 proposals I prepared. I discussed with sir, and sir was very nice and very. It was his greatness that he supported us and give us his expert comment that you should go with this, that thing. Within 5 days, we recorded introductory video and all that, and we floated. We just submitted that proposal within 5-7 days. And luckily, we got both the proposal approved, one for UG and one for PG. All the credit goes to you, sir.
No, it is your greatness, your humbleness, but it was actually your hard work which actually made you so success. And your courses, I know, are very, very popular, not only in India, across the globe. And that is the reason that you are able to make it to a book also. And that gives, you see, these books, etc., these are our real treasure. And as an academician, we feel pride that how many titles we have with us. And not only you, but your university should also feel pride that our faculty members are contributing so much to the field. And there are faculty members who spend their entire life unable to produce anything meaningful. At a young age, you are contributing so much. You have a very long and prosperous future, I know. No doubt in that.
Thank you, sir. And I also like to add a note that sir is also a course coordinator and running side 1, 2 MOOCs, sir, no? Is it 2 MOOCs?
Right now, this semester I am running. This semester I am running 3 MOOCs. Otherwise, I have 6 MOOC courses. So
please, sir, introduce your MOOC. Just a brief overview of your MOOCs. Just.
So this semester I am running 1 course on Toyota production system, another course on manufacturing strategy, and another course on innovation, business model, and entrepreneurship. So these are the 3 courses which are in this current semester I am running. The previous semester I offered supply chain analytics and production and operations management. So 2 courses I offered in the previous semester. This was semester 3. So these are from the Swayam platform. But since these days a lot of edtech companies are also there, So I'm offering few courses through edtech companies also, but I don't want to name them because it's a different platform and then it become marketing of my courses. So let us refrain from that.
Thank you, sir. So that you can see the courage. You can see that being a faculty member in the prestigious institute, the Professor Rajat Agrawal is contributing in the online courses in this extent. Sir, big salute to you, sir. Thank you, and please share your knowledge and motivate more of us so that we can take your slack, take your torch well ahead. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for coming.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me. Please continue with your question answer session. Please continue.
Thank you, Professor Rajat, and thank you, Dr. Ajay. Professor Rajat, we look forward to learning from you also, because the courses that you said, these are learning things that we would love to learn. Our participants would also love to learn, since we are a platform, EdTech platform. So thank you, Professor Rajat, for being with us. And please stay, sir, as long as possible. And let me ask the next question, Dr. Ajay, related to the book to you. Respected sir, does this book contain contents related to frame a research proposal for getting grants for our PhD thesis and also for other kind of projects?
The research proposal, grant proposal writing is related to more of for the faculty members, not for students, because generally the grants is available only to the big grants are only available to the faculty member, that to regular faculty members only. However, the student must learn the thing, because in near future they are going to learn, and just the exclusive chapter is there on research proposal writing. Obviously, the book is having that.
Okay. Okay, there's a question. Can we get a copy of the book on Amazon?
We will get back to you with the publisher. I don't think so that the book will be available, but we are going through that because it would be available in their own app of the publisher, and from the Pharma-State Academy it is going to be available, and we will be letting you know about all the details in the with your certificates, the participant certificate. The things will be shared to you.
Sure. The participants.
And as I said, as Rajesh sir was saying, yes, this is more about sharing the things. As sir is here, Thomas sir is there. He is the director of R&D, the dean of research and development. Basically, he, me, and we people are researchers. We want to share the things, and he is one of the nicest guy from the fraternity, from the senior people who are willing to share. Otherwise, many seniors had got wonderful projects, wonderful things, wonderful paper, but no one bothered to share the things. The people like Professor Harel Thomas, people like Professor Rajat Agrawal, people like Professor M.S.M. Rawat, they are always ready to share whatever they are having. And this is the thing, this is the way, whatever I learned, maybe I may not have achieved that much thing. Maybe with these learnings, you will get better things. With this concept, we have come across, and we have never thought about anything about the book when we started the project of academic writing. We just wanted to share, and right now, everything is available there on for free on the courses. You can go ahead with that. But yes, books are the best friend of a person. That's why we came up with the concept of book of that complete course. I think this is the actual motive, that to inculcate the habit of reading rather than going completely virtual and giving this strain to your eyes, and having a copy always with you motivates you, inspires you. Many books I am having in my office at that time, in my chamber, which I have bought in 1997, maybe when I was in second year graduation. Still, I'm having with that. I used to keep the pages safely. The sense of belonging, that sense which motivates us, which recalls us the learning. This is something emotional, something nostalgic, which connects with the book. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. There are many specific questions, but let me ask few questions which could be answered easily at this platform and relevant for all the participants. What are the best ways to avoid plagiarism? Sir, you are on mute. Ajay, sir.
I was just delivering my lecture on UGC HRDC Nainital on the academic integrity today itself in the afternoon from 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I was there, so I was discussing this thing only. I was telling that this is the fact that obviously referencing you must do. You must be honest whenever you are writing something. That honesty is the best policy. Attribute the sources. Along with that, you should use the quoting, paraphrasing, writing in your own words, giving voice to your own voice to those words, and summarizing. The blend of these techniques, quoting, direct quotes, or paraphrasing, summarizing, along with the referencing or citations, this makes a good blend. Depending on the need, a blend is prepared so that you can come up with the text which is plagiarism free. Thank you. And which we have discussed it. Dr. Mona has clarified it in her lectures on the MOOC itself. And Professor Rajas has also focused on his lectures on the plagiarism and the practical aspect of the plagiarism. So do enjoy.
Okay, the query for the book, sir, is this book also focusing on attractive presentation of reviews and research paper?
No, we are more concerned not about attractions. We are more concerned about the quality presentation of the thing. I won't use the word attractive because I used to tell my son that don't try to make a beautiful diagram. Make a good and well-labeled diagram. Clear and well-labeled diagram. It may not be beautiful, doesn't matter. But it must be clear and well-labeled. And that is the thing which is required from academic writing, that not attractive presentation, but the quality and factually correct presentation is required so as to publish your work. Thank you.
Okay. A question coming up because many people are asking how to write a book, sir. Can you please discuss what are the things we should keep in mind while writing a textbook as well as writing a book in my area of specialization?
Friends, some people think that book writing is very easy, just think. But I will tell you, this is easy. It is easier to write a paper, research paper, review paper. But to come up with a quality book, you will have to have a good homework. I was doing the homework for last 3 years for coming up on this platform, for bringing this book in the physical form. With the full preparation, I handed over my entire manuscript to my publisher in September 2020. And just 2 weeks back, we completed that, yes, it's okay now, ready to go for the press. After completing check, plagiarism, review, peer review. You know, the selection of publisher is very crucial. Otherwise, there are many shops where you can get your work published in the form of book, just pay some penny, he will ask you to buy your own copies, and the things, then the business goes on. I don't want to comment on that thing. But really, if you want to come up with a book, you must learn the writing skills, the engagement, the presentation skills, the effective presentation. Try to write some effective review papers earlier than that. Try to have a good name, good CV, that so that the people can follow you. A PG student writing a book on how to write a book, highly unrealistic. You have to show your mettle, then come up with the book. No, if Professor Harold Thomas is coming with a book, it is well justified. The experience tells. He has got the experience. He's just searching the time to focus. Otherwise, the book will be ready within 1 week, maybe. This is the way which should, and if you really want to contribute, make a team. Make a team and go with the project. But always remember, the book must be plagiarism free. Book will be published, publisher may publish, but it will be dangerous for your future. If you want to see, check out the plagiarism rule 2018, plagiarism regulation 2018 by UGC. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay. Next question, as for research papers, can other written works like books, articles, course materials also contribute towards a researcher's CV? Do they also have any kind of index? You're on mute, Dr. Ajay.
Yes, these things do contribute, obviously. But the contribution in various fields, don't try to go for versatility in the early career, what I recommend. Do some research, small piece of research, come back with the, get back to some publishing some work. Don't jump in the big projects in your early career, what I feel. Because you will learn the wrong way otherwise. So try to learn stepwise. It may be a speedy process depending upon your grasping capabilities. But of course, you will have to add on something in your CV in a phase-wise manner. And this is my take. Because I could see that, as Professor Rajat was rightly saying, collaborations are required. And we were lucky that we got his collaboration. But not the kind of collaboration which is happening in the research and publication world. Just like having a contrary party in McDonald's pizza party or in Domino's pizza party, you give me 10,000, you give me 10,000, we will have a paper in high impact, and the people are saying, what a collaboration. You will see lot many posts on LinkedIn. What a collaboration, 20, 30 people are there, one from Nigeria, one from Europe, one from India, one from, and in every kind of that paper, you will find one Indian or one Chinese at least. What is happening? Open secret. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay. Being a scientific editor, Dr. Yogita is asking, I wish to know how Swayam platform can help us in moving forward in conducting online courses.
Swayam doesn't help in conducting online courses. You have to go for the faculty members. This is not an edtech platform. Private platform. It is by Government of India for catering the need of society, for getting back the earning of taxpayers' money to the public. It is, everything is free. Just for the certification, the nominal fee is charged. Otherwise, it's completely free. Faculty members, we have also discussed this process, that if you are 5 years, having the 5 years experience, you can go with a submit a proposal for MOOC development. And nowadays, it is on the basis of the subject call. This is an exercise, and for that, not only the content, the delivery is also required. There are so many professors like Professor Hal Thomas. It is the seniority level. I don't think so anybody will be that much presentable as he is. Because the presentation skills are also required when we go for the MOOC development. Otherwise, there are many professors teaching the various subjects, but do they have the courage to face the camera, to face the and to make the delivery in the way which is open to all? I used to give the term, Kullam Khel Farukhabadi. Everything is open in this world. if you will have to be perfect. Professor Rajat used to say a term, academic artist. You will have to give the delivery. Obviously, this is not about the gimmick. It is about the content as well as the delivery. And for that, you need a very good blend. And you will have to have a good team. I'm not saying that you should be a one-man army. You can have good content writers. Some would be ready with this, some presentation skills. So you can distribute the work among your team and come up with the proposals and all that. And CEC and national coordinators are ready for taking up your proposals. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay. Let me ask 2 more questions and then we will move towards the winners of the quiz. The question is, does the book talk about journal writing and dissertation writing?
Yeah, obviously the book talks about the journal writing and the thesis writing. We will be sending you the content of the book along with your certificate of participation. So you will come to know. And even if you want to have a quick summary, what is there? So we will be sending the list of content to you. There are 40 chapters in the book, and I have given you the summary rather than the book overview, which I had a brief overview of the book. We have covered journal targeting, literature review, literature management, journal targeting, journal metrics, author metrics, English in academic writing, plagiarism, review writing, research paper writing, thesis writing, empirical study, field study, team spirit, challenges in academic writing, empirical and field study, book writing, chapter writing, conference paper writing, research proposal, grant writing, and OER development and MOOC development. These are the bunch of topics we have come up in the form of this book.
Okay, so few queries, quick queries related to book. How can I get PDF? Okay, it will be available. Is the book useful for mechanical engineer to write the research?
Yeah, obviously. This book has been made in the way that it is a multidisciplinary approach. We have come up with the multidisciplinary approach. You won't believe. We don't have any discipline left which we haven't covered in our learners pool. And that too, from the countries, from the across the borders. And this is the beauty. And in this way, we learned also from the learners that what kind of queries may be there from a psychology student, what kind of queries may be there from a law student. We are just talking about the science system. Science, this is the basic. Technology, sciences, technology, engineering, mathematics, biomedical is the basic one. We have covered, we have also catered to the arts, humanities, economics, sociology, political science, psychology, and all the subjects rather. And we learned this in the process, that what is their requirement, what we should talk about. Even in the live interactive sessions, we have discussed with our learners from across the fields, across the disciplines. You are most welcome. You will get the things, whatever you need to know. I promise.
Thank you. And the last question, and a very nice query. Is there any possibility of getting an audio version of your wonderful book?
Audio version of the
book?
I'll see. I'll get back to you with my publisher. I don't think so. We have the audio version of book right now, but I'm planning that I will come up with a podcast. Rather, my podcast is also available, and the link is available in the book itself. The academic writing podcast I'm hosting. Though that book is not there, my various sessions and lectures, audio recording already there. I had prepared it for catering the need of the Himalayan learners who have not got the connectivity right from the J&K, Nagaland, Mizoram, northeast to that from the Kashmir, the border areas. The people were not having 2G, the 3G connectivity. In the 2G connectivity, there was an issue they were facing that they could not see my videos. Then I prepared my podcast from them and floated with those before that, so as to reach to them, so as to cater them. And I hope I will try to cover the entire course into the form of podcast very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay, for answering the questions very patiently. And thank you all the participants who were asking the question. There are many questions which are remaining unanswered, but due to time obligation, we will have to move on with the quiz winners, the winners of the quiz that we announced. It was an overwhelming participation, dear learners, and we thank you for that. We received 1,200 plus quiz attempts. Yes, it is 1,200 plus. I wanted you to guess, but I didn't ask, so just blurted out. So it is 1,200 plus participants who participated, and the winners were taken at the 4 p.m. Today, as we announced in the groups also, that at 4 p.m. whosoever is topping the charts till 4 p.m. Those will be the quiz winners. After that, if you have participated, that doesn't count because time has its own importance. So here is the announcement for the winners. Top 10, rank 1, Mr. Shiv Kumar Deshmukh, then Ms. Manish Kamble, Vinita Maikar, Sushil More, Nishi Fotedar, Ankush Dubey, Reshma MJ, Suman Yadav, Parag Nawandar, and Sagar Radve. So very and many congratulations to all the winners, the top 10. You all know what you are going to get. Top five ranks are going to get the book copy and of course access to a wonderful course by Dr. Ajay at Pharmacist Academy. And from ranks 6 to 10, you will be able to access the course at Pharmacist Academy. So congratulations to all the participants. If anyone is live, please raise your hand. If anyone of the rank holder is watching us live, kindly raise your hand. We would love to hear.
Yeah, there are 3 participants, Swati. 4 participants raised hand.
Wonderful. So, Satish, can we allow them to unmute?
Yeah, the participants can unmute themselves.
So, congratulations to all the participants. Whosoever can speak a few words. How are you feeling? How was the quiz?
Maximum, Ajay, Dr. Ajay, maximum from Maharashtra side.
Yes, sir. क्या कह रहे सर?
Maximum Maharashtra हैं. The winner.
Yes, sir.
My learners,
Yes, sir.
my maximum learners are from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
That's what I'm telling. Even the winner also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's good.
So we have always got a good response, a very fantastic response for both the courses from Maharashtra and thereafter from Andhra. We have a very good response from 2 states. It is our experience.
Satish, can we have the names of the winners once again on the screen?
Sure.
Yeah, Shiv Kumar Deshmukh, Manish Kamble, Vinita Maikar, Sushil More, Nishi Fotedar, Ankush Dubey, Reshma MJ, Suman Yadav, Parag Nawandar, and Sagar Kadam.
Congratulations, and we will congratulate you by clapping. So please clap for them. They have participated. They have performed wonderfully.
Yes. Great. And we'll send you the mailers, and also you will receive a WhatsApp message from our side so that you can share your address, so that we can send you the physical copies of the book. And rest the online course will be given enrollment from our side. Our team will connect. Okay.
And since tomorrow is Independence Day, so there is an Independence Day discount. We are coming up for all those who are watching us, who want to pre-book this book of academic writing by Dr. Ajay Similty. You will be getting a discount coupon of 15% if you book this before 30th August. So, dear learners, there is a discount coming up. Book this book at a 15% discount. We will send you the link. We will send you the details through emails in your certificates also, and do book this before 30th August.
For foreign learners, if anybody is here, I would like to add that I have got the instruction from my publisher that the foreign learners will get the hard copy in the colored print in the quality versions, and the cost will be varying from the country to country on the delivery address basis. So they can submit their queries, and we will be having we will be giving the link. Pharmastate will be giving the link so that you can put your query, put your demand there, and then we'll get back to you. The publisher will get back to you, and the Pharmastate will get back to you. Depending on the invoice, with their invoice, depending on your country. Okay, thank you.
So do not miss this chance to get first hand on your book. Keep it with you, use it for your academic writing. And with this, we move on to word of thanks from none other than Dr. Mona Semelty. Dr. Mona, over to you.
Thank you, Swati. Before formally thanking everyone present in this event today, I would like to read few things from acknowledgement, because acknowledgement is of 2 pages, and I'll take few important acknowledgements which I would like to read, because it happens many a times that acknowledgement page, it is remained ignored. To the acknowledgement, the author of the book is Dr. Ajay Semelty. So I am just reading few lines. So I would like to thank all the persons who helped me in designing, planning, and finishing of this book. First, I would like to thank to my family members for their continued encouragement, support, and assistance. Without them, it would not have been possible to complete the book. So research is not just a job or group of tasks. It is a passion and a commitment to give your best for sustainable development of science and humanity. The research adds value to the quality of teaching and learning process. In the process of researching with teaching and learning, I learned researching by maximum utilization of scarce resources available. So in continuation, I acknowledge Professor Rajat Agarwal sir, Department of Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, and the role of Professor Rajat Agarwal sir is very vital in a sense that he is the gentleman who triggered this urge to excel in the field of MOOC, and I will always be indebted for his valuable guidance. And thanks are due to Dr. Lokesh Adhikari, Senior Research Associate, Garhwal University, Srinagar, Garhwal, for his vital role in designing the academic writing MOOC as instructional designer as well as a teaching assistant. And I extend many thanks to the reviewers, Professor Divan Singh Rawat, Delhi University, Professor Joseph, Central University of Kerala, and Professor M.S.M. Rawat, Sir, Advisor, Higher Education, Government of India. And I cannot express my gratitude in words to Dr. Pankaj Mittal, ma'am, General Secretary, AIU, and she has been the powerhouse of inspiration and motivation for developing the academic writing course for its success. Sorry, with special thanks to Dr. N. Gopakumar, Joint Secretary UGC, Dr. Diksha Rajput, Deputy Secretary UGC, and Mr. Abhishek, Project Officer UGC. I humbly extend my deep gratitude to the entire UGC SWAYAM team, and I also thank to my fellow course coordinators, especially Professor Harel Thomas sir, Dr. H.S. Gaur University Sagar, Professor V.K. Garg, Central University of Punjab Batinda, Professor Kusuma, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, Professor Rekha Sharma, Nagpur University, Professor Sajna Jalil, AMJ University, Kottayam, Kerala, for the motivation and moral support. And we also thank Professor P.K. Sahu, Director General, Dipsal University, New Delhi, Professor Munish Ahuja, and Professor K. Srinivas, Professor Rajkumar Bhardwaj sir, Director EMRC Roorkee, Professor Neeraj, Professor Vandana Punya, and these are persons to whom we would like to acknowledge and thank. So, and so on behalf of the organizers and our team AW, I would like to thank Engineer Nageshwar Naji to extend our sincere gratitude to Director, Sir, Director EMRC, Mr. JP Nadda sir, Nageshwar Naji, Engineer Nageshwar Naji, if he is there in the meeting, sir, please extend our gratitude to Director sir. And we also thank Professor MSM Rawat sir, Advisor Higher Education, Government of Uttarakhand. And as Dr. Semalty also mentioned earlier, moreover, a guru can never be thanked for his blessings. So, sir, I'll take that liberty. And for Rajat Agarwal, sir, I don't have any words to thank him, as the entire journey of academic writing MOOC started under his guidance and constant support. Thank you so much, sir. And Team AW also thank the Pioneer Course Coordinator, Swayam MOOC, for credit transfer, Professor Harold Thomas, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for the blessings. Lastly, our millions of thanks to our dear learners for their constant support, and thank you to the host of this event, Pharma State Academy and BS Publications, for organizing such a wonderful event for the book launch. And my last thank to the office bearers and member of Library Association and all the research scholars. So with these words, I thank everyone present in this meeting also. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Mona.
Thank you, Dr. Mona. I would like to add one thing. I think 2 paras we skipped. That personally, I would like to thank Pandwa's Creations. I mentioned in the acknowledgement that we started Vocal for Local in 2018 with giving the production responsibility to Doval Brothers of Pandwa's Creation Private Limited, Rudraprayag, rather than going for Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, etc. Okay. So it was a memorable journey. Thanks a lot to the production team of Doval Brothers for the wonderful and dedicated work in producing a world-class MOOC from the lap of the Himalayas. I humbly acknowledge the Ministry of Education, Government of India, UGC, Swayam, National Coordinator, CEC, New Delhi, and the team EMRC Roorkee for providing grants and the vital support in the development and the running of the academic writing online course. I do remember the teachings of our beloved Sir, late Professor Y.S. Tanwar, BN College of Pharmacy, BN University, Udaipur, Rajasthan. I shall always be thankful to him for incubating me as a researcher and blessing the research temperament in me. I also thank Professor P.K. South. We have Director Research. We have also all the members. Especially, I humbly acknowledge, last but not the least, I can say that I'm thankful to my other 2 project associates, apart from Dr. Lokesh Adhikari, who has been the vital in the incubation of and the designing of the course, Mr. Mukesh Pandey and Mr. Himanshu Misra, and all the staff members of the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, HNB Gadwal, Srinagar Gadwal, for their moral support. Dr. Lokesh Adhikari. Lokesh has played a vital role in the every step of incubation, designing, production, and execution of the course. I also extend my gratitude to the entire university family of Gadwal University, with a special thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Annapurna Nautiyal, for the continuous support and blessings. To some reasons, she could not attend the occasion. I humbly thank her for her continuous support. I humbly acknowledge my publishing team, Mr. Anil Shah, and his entire publishing team of BSV Books, Hyderabad, India, with special thanks to Mr. Naresh for their efforts, guidance, and timely support in the preparation of this work. I'm always indebted to my guru, Professor M.S. Marawat, as Dr. Mona has already mentioned, for his continuous support, guidance, and blessings. Last but not the least, I thank my mother, late Mrs. Lakshmi Semalty, and the God Almighty for giving me the strength, patience, and determination to complete this work on time in the present form. And the entire work is dedicated to my mother. Aap sabka dhanyawad. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you, Dr. Ajay, and thank you, Dr. Mona. You have been quite humble, and really, it's heartening to listen to all the support that comes in, writing a book or doing something. So, dear participants and learners, your support matters, and keep supporting each other. We could see how much support Dr. Ajay and Dr. Mona got, and they reached this pinnacle. So, keep supporting each other. That is what I would say, and encourage good work. That is what I have learned from Dr. Ajay and Dr. Mona. Encourage good work, and the work pays you back in multiple times. So this is all from our side. Satish, can we have the book launch video again, just to refresh what is there?
Yeah, sure, Swati. Just give me a second.
Yes, and in the meantime, when the video plays, let me thank especially the library associations and the people who have joined us. And we look forward to your support also. Dear special guest today, Professor Harel Thomas, Lokesh also, and all the participants who joined. Here's the video. Thank you, Dr. Satish, for this wonderful video. Thank you, Dr. Lokesh, for assisting us everywhere we can see. Dr. Lokesh is a vital part, and Professor Rajat Agrawal also. So, Dr. Ajay, you have a great team. Congratulations. Your team is wonderful, and all the participants, you all are wonderful for being with us, sparing 2 hours from your busy time to see this book launch and discussion session. We hope that you get a copy of this book as soon as possible and start implementing the learnings that are there in this book. Yes, online sessions are important. They should go on, but along with this, as Dr. Ajay already mentioned, a copy of a book is an emotional attachment. You have to have a copy of the book. So book it. We will mention the details, how you're going to book it if you want a discount of 15%. So do check your mail IDs and see how you have to follow the process to get the discount and the copy of the book. So thank you all. Thank you all the special guests. Thank you, Harel sir. Any final comments, sir? Thank you, sir. And Dr. Ajay, thank you for being with us. Dr. Mona, thank you for being with us and sharing the word of thanks. Lokesh, you want to say something?
Thank you to all the participants. And just thanks.
So this is all from our side. We look forward to hosting more events for you, Dr. Ajay. Another book is in pipeline, and we would be doing that book launch also. So dear participants, at the end, I would invite you to join us on another book launch. It will be a book on industrial pharmacy, and all the information would be shared as we share already with you. So not ending, rather it is a continuous process. So continuously we will be launching books, we will be doing session, with Dr. Ajay and Dr. Mona. Bye for now. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Let's celebrate freedom.
Thank you for being with us and thank you for supporting us as always. आप सबको प्रणाम और स्वाधीनता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं. Be independent in academic writing.
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
We're ending now.